Good morning students. I am Neera. You are watching my channel ILC Instant Learning on Click. Today we are going to learn about the most important chapter from mathematics, that is area and perimeter. This is especially for grade 4th and 5th. Today I am going to tell you about the basic concepts of area and perimeter, and you will find homework also. And let's start with this topic. Now what is area? एरिया हमें क्यों जानना पड़ता है, हमें क्यों ढूंढना पड़ता है एरिया के बारे में? मैं आपको बेसिक कंसेप्ट से स्टार्ट करती हूँ। बच्चों देखो, एरिया हमेशा 2 डायमेंशनल फिगर्स का ही निकाला जाता है। टू डायमेंशनल फिगर बेटा वो होती हैं जिनकी हमें लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ गिवन हो, like this rectangle, square and this type of figures which have only length and breadth. If you are given with length, breadth and height, you can't find the area, you have to find the volume. That is a separate concept, we will talk it later, but just focus on what is area. Area means the amount of surface covered by a given polygon. This is your area. जो अंदर है इसके, ये सब एरिया है। हमें एरिया की क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है? एरिया की हमें इसलिए जरूरत पड़ती है, हमें कोई भी चीज हमें अंदर के बारे में जाननी हो तो हमें किसी भी पॉलीगन के लिए तो हमें एरिया की जरूरत पड़ती है। एरिया हम फाइंड आउट कैसे करते हैं? सपोज वी आर गिवन विद दिस रेक्टेंगल पॉलीगन, दिस इज अ स्क्वायर पॉलीगन एंड दिस इज अ एल शेप पॉलीगन. नाउ अब मैं इस पॉलीगन की बात करूं तो वी हैव लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ. इफ यू हैव हर्ड अर्लियर दैट opposite sides of rectangle is always equal, means this is length. If this is 5 centimeter, this will be also 5 centimeter. This is breadth and this is breadth. If this is 3 centimeter, then this is 3 centimeter. I have told you that in area we need length and breadth. So to find out the area of this figure, what will we do? We will apply a formula, length into breadth. Length this, breadth this. Length is given is equal to 5 centimeter, you can see in the figure, and breadth is given is equal to 3 centimeter. So what will be the area? Area is equal to 5 into 3. So it will become 15 centimeter square. 15 centimeter square means area is always in square units. Means you have to apply 2 with the units. If it is in 5 meter or it is 3 meter, then you will write here 15 meter square. Area is always in square units. Never forget this. And units are most important in this topic. Now we will move to another figure. If you have to find area of a given square, you all know that all the sides of a square are equal. रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर में फ़र्क क्या है? रेक्टेंगल की अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं और स्क्वायर्स की चारों साइड बराबर होती है. अगर आपको एक ही साइड गिवन है, आपके पास ये देखिए मैंने लिखा s इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. s इज योर साइड ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. s इज इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स all the 4 sides are equal to 4 centimeter. Then how will you find the area of this? I have told you in rectangle case length into breadth. Same is the with the square. We can write s into s. Why s into s? Because breadth is also of 4 centimeters. So I have write s into s is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeter square. Same case, area निकाल रहे हैं तो units should be in square unit always. Always remember, in area units will be in square units. Now look at the third figure. How will you find the area of this type of figure? This is a little bit looking hard for you, right? But it is very easy. Count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 squares. Then the area of this figure is equal to 8. whatever the unit, centimeter, 8 centimeter square will be the answer. I hope you all will understood all this. Next we are going to learn perimeter. Now we are going to learn about perimeter. This is another one topic which is very important with the area. Now what is perimeter? If I talk about book language, summation of all the side of the given polygon is the perimeter, nothing else. Summation of all the side of a given polygon makes a perimeter. How? Why we need perimeter? Suppose this is a lawn outside your house and you have to prevent this lawn from animals and many other things in today's world. So what should you need to do? You need to fence it around your lawn to save your flowers and all greenery. What is fencing? Fencing means to make a boundary outside your lawn. This is called fencing. So how will you count the how will you come to know how much wire you need to fence this lawn? You have to add all the length and breadth of the given lawn. Now suppose this is your lawn in rectangular shape. What you will do? L plus L. Why L plus L? Because there are two lengths. L plus L plus B plus B plus B plus B. You will get the total length of the wire for fencing your lawn. It becomes 2L plus 2B. Right? Now take 2 outside. 2L plus B is the perimeter of the given lawn. I have given you formula. Perimeter of a rectangular. Perimeter of a rectangle. If you are given with this type of figure, means which shows a rectangle to you, then you have to apply this type of formula. Now I am going to apply this formula on this rectangular shape figure. Look here. 2, what is length? 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 16 centimeter. Always remember that this unit should be in centimeters, not in square units. If here is meter, then you have to write meters only. Always remember the units, which is very important for examination point of view. Now you can directly execute your perimeter. How? Like this. 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. You will get the same answer as earlier I calculated. 10 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 16 centimeter. I hope you all have got this. Now what is the perimeter of a square figure? Add all the sides. It is very simple. How? If I would say that it doesn't have any breadth, it has only length or only breadth. So 4 times of L, 4 times means this, or you can say 4 times of sides. What is your S? Is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeter. Is your answer. I hope you all have understood this. And what about the perimeter of this type of figure? You are given with the lengths of all these type of all the lengths of this figure. Look here. 10 plus 1 plus 5. 10 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 and plus 1. Now calculate. 10 plus 1 11 plus 1 plus 5 16 plus 3 19 plus 1 20 plus 4 24 equal to 24 centimeter. Now I hope that this will become very easy concept for you after watching this video. Now I will give you some home assignment, and if you have any doubt, definitely write in the comment box in the description. I will send you my email ID in description box, and if you like my video, must subscribe it and for next lecture. And if you want to contact me, send an email or inbox me at my given email ID. Thank you and have a nice day. Hmm. Now, this is your home assignment. Do at home. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely help you to solve it out. This is your exercise regarding area concept, and last earlier was your regarding perimeter. So do both the exercise, and I hope that you won't get any doubt. If you have any doubt, you are free to ask any of the doubt in the comment box. Bye.